Here I have Realme 9, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, tap open camera while using the app, allow, and now let's try to scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as camera spots it, it shows me. Okay, so we have to tap on this search icon and looking for results. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, let's try once again to scan this QR code. Oh, now it sees this page. So as you can see, that's how I can open this page, by scanning this QR code. So easy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.